This is our trusty engineer, Thomas Mulroney, who will be our obstacle today. This is a sliding gate, which we have automated recently up in Edinburgh. As you can see, we've installed a Beninca Bison sliding gate operator and a full suite of BEA LZRs. These LZRs are the 10-meter version, and there are two mounted on the private side, one covering the opening side public, one covering the closing side public, and the same can be found on the public side. Sorry, that's the private side, this is the public side. Two more LZRs on the public side. This LZR here is protecting the space between the fence and the gate, should a child ever be stood on the wall looking over the fence. And the other LZR on the public side is also protecting the closing space. Give the gate command to open. Should an obstacle stand in the path of the gate would stop moving. The obstacle is removed. The gate will continue moving. If the obstacle was to stand in the drawing hazard area, the gate would also stop until the obstacle is removed, and then would continue. And for the purposes of this installation, we have set a 2-second pause time. One, two. And if the obstacle is presented in the middle of the driveway, the gate stops. And then if you can try the drawing hazard on this side, obstacle is removed, and then the drawing hazard is also protected. Obstacle is removed, the gate will continue then to open. And if we move to the public side, we can see the public side LZRs. An obstacle is detected, and then he will move and try the drawing hazard area. If his body is placed in the path within half a metre, the gate will stop until the obstacle is removed, and then the gate continues its movement. So with the use of just 4 LZR products, we have covered all drawing hazards, the most dangerous parts on a sliding gate. We've covered the opening area at the trailing edge of the sliding gate, and the full closing area on the leading edge of the gate. The drawing hazards, we've set the lasers to protect half a metre either side of the main vertical post, and these lasers we've programmed to protect 6 metres in that direction all the way to the far wall, and also 6 metres across this way to the main post there as well. The installation, you can see the LZRs are mounted onto the LBA brackets. Very simple. 2 bolts holding each to a custom flat plate which we had fabricated by a blacksmith, and the cables are being contained in the main vertical post through a flexible conduit where they meet the DIN rail mounted power supply and then further connected into the gate's control board. So it's a fast installation, very simple to program using the BEA programmer's remote control, and I find it quite aesthetically pleasing. Hidden cables, not many products, to be installed. So a quick installation time, very easy and quite intuitive to program, but most importantly a supreme non-contact safety device as compared to the old safety edge system, which we're still to remove from the original installation by a different company. On this particular installation you would have required a safety edge on the trailing edge, on the leading edge, on this side of the main vertical post, on the other side of the main vertical post, and then further safety edges on the public side. So here just 4 absolutely fantastic products to install, quick, simple to install and extremely reliable. We've personally had 0 product failures in 4 years, and the customers really enjoy the green and red LEDs on the front, which tells them instantly, you know, why their gate may not be opening. Maybe there's an obstacle, a kiddie's toy, a carrier bag, build-up of debris, etc. So here we have a very safe installation using just 4 BEA laser products. Thank you.